If you're looking for the best baby walker, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1 most popular, VTech Sit-to-Stand Learning Walker Pink. A traditional design that's designed for slightly older children than the other VTech products on our list, this chunky, fun, and engaging walker is definitely harder to use than most. It's also much more engaging than a great many of the designs we reviewed though. And it has the added advantage of letting your child see what they're doing with their legs. Since most babies learn via visual stimuli, the ability to use their legs working can really help them to hone their fine motor control, and there's a substantial body of evidence that more traditional sit-to-stand designs are actually the best when it comes to helping your little one take their first step. Number 2, VTech Sit-to-Stand Learning Walker Lavender. Usually about $35, the VTech Sit-to-Stand is available in pinks and purples pictured or oranges and greens. When the dangers of sit-and baby walkers spread like wildfire through the press, this was one of the answers. Instead of having your baby sit inside the walker and roll around, this top-rated activity walker serves babies who have already learned to pull themselves up but haven't learned to walk independently. So it's a slightly different phase of use relative to a sit-in walker. The sit-in style can work for any baby with the head and neck control, but this type of push walker won't be useful until your baby pulls to stand. Once they do, this is it. Number 3, Juvie Spoon Walker Greenie. Designed with utility in mind, this beautiful walker doubles up as a high chair. Alongside all of the mod cons you'd expect from a modern baby walker, it boasts a super wide dishwasher-safe tray that can be used during meal times. Beyond the high chair functionality, we really like a few key things about this walker. Firstly, its supersized base makes it incredibly stable, which means you never have to worry about your little one tipping it over as they roll around. Secondly, the safety features including non-slip stair pads and oversized wheels are also top-notch. And finally, the quality of construction is in our opinion unparalleled. Number 4, award-winning Hape Wonder Walker Pusher and Pull Toddler Walking Toy. Usually about $75, this Hape walker is one of the most adorable and high-quality activity walkers we tested. We love the quality craftsmanship, vivid and non-toxic paint colors, and the simple and clever toys that keep a baby interested but not overwhelmed. One of the great things about this walker is that it's basically impossible to tip over, whether it's tipping forward, backward, or to the side. It's very stable, and that's more than we can say for many of the walkers we tested. When our test babies tried it out, they all seemed to love being able to put random things in the front and push them around. This included toys, stuffies, and in one case, the family cat. Number 5, Caterpillar and Friends Discovery Walker. Boasting a bright and colorful ocean design that's sure to capture the imagination of most small children, this walker is a robust choice for anyone that's prioritizing fun. Among other things, we're particularly fond of the fact that this walker features a fully removable toy tray and special loops for attaching other toys should the provided sea-themed lights and sounds become too repetitive. It functions well too. By all accounts, the frame is sturdy, the assembly is a breeze, and the design is basically foolproof. It's probably also worth mentioning the special high-backed seat, which provides a lot of additional support and ensures that your baby will sit comfortably while learning to cruise in this walker. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.